Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing these colored contacts. Basically, if you have like hazel or brown eyes and you want to change it to more like blues or greens, I mean, they have all sorts of different colors, but that's what these colors will be. This one is called New York Blue, and you can also get a prescription, so mine are actually prescription, and these are annual, so you can use it up for an entire year after you open them. This is Quartz, also prescription, and then this is gonna be Topaz. So let's check it out. Let's try New York Blue first. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. That's what it looks like. Oh my God, it's so blue. Like, is that even me? Like, that's crazy. All right, let me put the other one in. It's just so vibrant, you know? I feel like I'm staring at the sea right now. All right, let me put the next one in. Almost like anime. I like the prescription because then you can actually see and not just be wearing this. Yay or nay, what do you think about these contacts? Let me know in the comments. Number 2. All right, these are the Quartz ones. That's what it looks like. And these colored contacts are bigger than normal contacts, so you have to be really like well-versed with contacts. Otherwise, it'll be hard to put in. Ooh. Oh, I really like these. They're just kind of like, it almost looks like fake though, like on me. Like I feel like, like you can tell that they're not real. Wow. That's like, I feel like it kind of looks scary. Like I thought it would look really like exotic or whatever, but I think it's a little bright, or maybe I'm just not used to it. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. All right, last but not least, we are trying the Topaz color. Ugh, they have all squirted me, every single one of these. That's the color it looks like. These all look really realistic compared to like the other ones that I've seen before. Ooh, these are nice too. I like the blue because it's just so different and it's just so bright, you know, like, and this is like kind of like a blue-green, so it's not like quite, you know, all the way crazy blue. Whew. All right, super cool. So let me know which one you like the best, 1, 2, or 3. New York Blue, Quartz, or Topaz, which are these. And if you want to purchase them, they are in the link below for more product reviews. And if you have any suggestions or anything like that, do let me know. And we'll go from there. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next product review. All right, bye.